So today I'm doing this look inspired by Makeup by Cam on Instagram. It's such a unique, pretty look. I'll put the picture right here. Let's just get straight into the video. Don't forget to subscribe and let's begin. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the Karity matte palette and the shade Lumbia. Just grab any hot pink you have and that will be fine. I'm just gonna pack that above the crease with a Sigma E25 blending brush. We're just gonna pack it on first before you blend it out. So I'm gonna pack it on the side of the brush compared to on the tip. And I'm just gonna pack it on the middle to the outer part. So for the inner part, I am going to pack it on the tip because I want it to be thinner on the inner corner and then get wider towards the end. Usually I don't mind having it packed on so heavily throughout my whole eye, but since I'm not covering my inner corner with the glitter, I kind of have to be careful not to overdo it because I feel like if you put so much in the inner corner, it really makes your eyes look really heavy. So like I said, I'm putting that pink on the tip this time compared to this way, and then I'm going to tap that on the inner corner. So again, on the other side, just packing it on flat. And packing the inner corner straight on. Okay, now I'm going to blend out the edges of that. Okay, so now I'm just going to blend the edges of that with a Sigma E36. Now we're going to go in with a matte purple. Take any purple you have. I'm going to be using the purple from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. And now I'm just going to take a tapered blending brush and blend that right below the pink. We're also going to tap some of that purple on the outer corner and the inner corner. So now I'm going to pack on the purple color with a smudge brush just to deepen it up just a little bit more. And then I'm also going to blend it on the lower lash line. And I'm just going to take a pencil brush so that I can connect these two purples. Okay, I'm just going to lightly blend that purple out with a pencil brush. Okay, I'm just going to cut the crease just in the center for a halo eye. I'm going to be using Anastasia's No. 3 brush and Beauty Bakery's concealer since my Shape Tape's practically dying out. So I'm just going to take some on the brush. I always forget that this concealer dries out super fast. Yeah, this is drying out really fast. I'm going to go grab my Shape Tape and just use whatever's left in it. Okay, so I'm just gonna retrace that purple over the halo eye since I kind of lost that when I was cutting the crease. I'm just gonna take a winged liner brush and again that same purple. I'm gonna outline it thicker than I usually do. Usually I just do one small line, but I really want that purple to show when my eyes are open. Okay, now since we lost some of that hot pink, I'm going to go back in with the small blending brush. I'm just going to add a little bit more of that hot pink. Okay, now I'm just going to take that lime green in the Zulu palette and pack that on the concealer. It's a little hard to get these really pigmented with a brush, so I'm just going to pack it on first before I use a brush. I'm just using this so I know exactly where to put the glitter. I'm just going to fill in that glitter with the same Anastasia brush. I wiped the concealer off of it. Okay, so I'm looking at her look and I was wondering why mine doesn't look as dark as hers. I don't know if you can see it, but I think she used like a navy blue instead of the purple. So I'm gonna try a little bit of a navy blue. I'm gonna try out Colourpop's Backstage. So again, I'm just gonna take Colourpop's Backstage and a pencil brush and pack that over where I put the purple. Yeah, that already looks a little bit more like hers. Yeah, that looks nice and deep now. Might as well put it on the lower lash line too. I'm just going to run that over the purple. And then going back in with the winged liner brush and that blue. And then just drawing it above the green. Very lightly so that purple still shows up. And now for the green glitter, I'm going to go in with Impulse Cosmetics Newt. This is hands down my favorite glitter from Impulse Cosmetics other than it being green, but I think it just looks so pretty and unique. So I'm just going to use some shadow shield so that the glitter doesn't get everywhere. Okay, I'm just going to go in with Anastasia's brush again and Lit Cosmetics glitter glue. So I'm going to pack on that glitter glue before I pack on the glitter, of course. I'm just going to put some of that glitter glue in my palm. That's usually what I always do. And then I'm going to take that same Anastasia brush and just pack it over the green. This glitter is really thick enough where you don't have to put the green, but I just wanted to put the green there so I know exactly where to put it. And just so, you know, even if it doesn't cover a spot, at least there's kind of a green underneath. Okay, I'm going in with that glitter. Look how pretty that glitter is. I'm just gonna wipe off that brush, put some more glitter glue on it, and then the glitter. Okay, now, so for the brow bone, inner corner, and actual highlight. Ofra Space Baby, I apologize. I mean, this is a purple blue highlighter and this is a purple blue look. Oh wait, I should add pink to the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm just going to put that highlighter in the inner corner with the smudge brush. Just going to drag it in a little bit inside and then again on the lower lash line. Okay, so I'm just gonna put on lashes, mascara, and eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay, now sticking to that blue theme, I'm gonna go in with NYX's Liquid Suede in Jet Set. I'm just gonna use a lip brush because this could get really messy. I'm just gonna add some more of that Ofra highlighter on my Cupid's bow. Okay guys, we are all set. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.